Hey guys, how you going? Today is Friday, 23rd of May. It's 10 past 1. Not that I'm looking at the clock and counting down because it's Friday. Good old coffee. Now, we just got this in, guys. All stainless steel. So, what we're doing is we're filling bins. Julie's on a mission. Hello, Julie.
Hi.
What are we doing there, Julie?
We're filling up all the empty bins.
What do you got there? What are those?
What is it? M4 times 20 cap screws.
Stainless steel cap screws. Wow, look at all that, Julie. You must have thousands there. So this is what we're doing, guys. We're filling up everything. We're going to put you over, I think there. We'll just balance you there for now. I'll give Julie a little hand.
Try back though.
Yeah, we'll do that up later.
Should we do it after?
Yeah. Put that one to the side. And then we're going to go straight to can't see it then, it's got an ISO. That's I'm thinking is the bolt. 8x20. ISOs, 8x20 button head sockets, Jules.
8x20?
Yep, so there we go, guys. 8x20 stainless steel button head sockets is what we got there. So, where's me handy dandy little pen?
8x20 button socket.
Yep, 8x20s. It might be up on the bench. 8x20 ISO 7380. That's how stuff's ordered, guys. It's not just give me a button head socket. It's ISO 7380, or it's an ART number, or it's a DIN number. There's a few other types as well. It's an international terminology that's used for bolts, but as you can see, we've got a few bits and pieces here. Stainless. We bring it in and we wholesale it. So you save and you benefit, you win. Here we go, you got it? Here we go, guys. Let's lift that boy up. I figured if I do this, it shows me working too. Instead of just you, which is always the thing. Chuck him on the shelf, put him down there for packing. So as you can see, guys, this is going to take a while, but we're going to get it done. I love coffee. I think that's number 4 today. So I suppose we'll just go straight to this one. 10x35. That is the set screw. The zinc plate at 8.8.
What was it? 10x35?
Yep. Here we go. 10x35, 8.8. That's 10x35. That's it. Fill them up. And we just had our old mate Graham in here. Graham's a subscriber and he just came to visit us and we just pulled this off the truck. So it was good to see Graham. But as always, hit that like, subscribe and share. We have 38 subscribers. Thank you, everybody. We need to get to 50, guys. 50 is the number we need so we can go live. Until you have 50 members, subscribers, you cannot go live. I checked it out last night. Beautiful. 10x35s. 10x35s. We should have. Hang on, guys. We're just having a look here. Julie will keep you all entertained. 10x35s. You should be. Oh wow. Is that 17,000? Can't be 17,000. No, there's a few, isn't there? 1035, 1035, 1035.
Should we keep them to the side? So
Oh, I don't know what that is. Yeah, we'll put the 10x35s to the side. We'll just put put them on the ground. Not sure what's happened there, guys. So we'll figure that out. So end of December 35. Let's put these down here. Hello, Tom.
Good to see you doing some hard work instead of just lazing about in your chair.
You know what? I try to work, don't I? I do work. We're doing a YouTube, Tom. You're on our YouTube. Here we go, people. Say hello to Tom.
Hello!
This is Tom from Burst Engineering. What do we got, Tom?
I need 20 of that style, but 40 long.
6 by
M6 by 40s.
Yeah. That's
And
doable.
40 of those.
Yeah.
The
And you want that
M6 by
20s?
20s cap screws.
Yep. 6 by 40s. 20 and 20, Tom.
Hey?
20 of the 40s, hey?
20 of the 40s and 40 of the 20s. Sounds a bit better front, I know.
Go. See, people can't see me doing work. Right, let's go like this, and we'll count out 40 of these. There we go. Oh, hang on. Okay, I looked at the label, 6 by 16, but it was in the 20 bag. You're going to be famous, Tom. You're going to get people ringing and messaging.
World famous in Waiuku.
There you go, mate. Easy peasies, Tom.
Okay.
How you been there?
Good.
We'll just put you over there, guys. Otherwise, I'll knock you over. That can go back on there for now. So we can check it all off. Got cash sale. 0.2. Yes, HCCN, 6 times 40. No, I pay that time, go there. And 0.4. Oh, hang on, it's brought up Staples top.
These are all the 10 by 35.
Oh, sweet. We'll put those two.
Was it supposed to be this many boxes or second?
Eh? 1553, Tom. There you go. Yeah, so we got that in, Tom. So what we've got to do is, well, check it off and start packing it away. 80% of that's all stainless.
What's happened to stainless prices? It was going through the roof, it was going up and up and up and up. That's stopped
It
now?
has, yeah, it's stabilised. Trust me.
Yeah, it needed to.
Yeah. The one that hasn't is it aluminium and is it copper? I can't remember.
Yeah, copper's gone through the roof.
Yeah.
Thank you very much,
You're
mate.
welcome, bud.
Okay.
Have a good weekend, Tom.
Yeah.
So that, guys, that was Tom. That's one of our regulars. He's a nice fella. If you need any engineering done or machinery, agricultural machinery repaired, that's one of the guys to talk to. Tom has a company called Versa Engineering. So, we're back to this cup of coffee. Okay, Julie, what are we up to?
10 boxes. Is that right?
5,600. You got 10.
Yep.
Where's your open box?
Uh,
So we'll go 11 boxes because we've done the other one. 10 by 35, so we've got 11 boxes. Down 60. Still a few more. That'll make 12. That's right, we'll go for this one on top. M4 stainless steel Nylox. We have, here we go. Yep, stainless steel. That's him, bro, that's him. Well done, bro. Oh yeah. Look at that, I just dropped it, guys. There goes $10. That's all right, we'll pick them up. Oh, look at Julie go. Go, Julie. What do we got? Anything to... Perfect, that's it, bro. That's him, bud. Look at Julie go, guys. Julie's a trooper. There we go. Get into it, Julie. That's it. You get it in there, bro. So, take the Yep. That's the one. I'm going to be honest, Jolly dropped just as many as I did. Okay, Jules, here we go. We'll get those ones later. I'll chuck this back. Then we're going to go on to whatever that next box is, Jules. We will do 5 by 12, because it's ISO, I'm thinking it's a button. Yep, button, 5 by 12 stainless button. And there should be 2 of those. So we've got 1 box. I've got yep, 7380, yep, so I've got 1 box, there's another box somewhere. Yep, fill that bad boy up. And that's 3, 6. And then we've got, I don't know what that is. Oh, that could be flat washer. Yes. Oh, spring washer, sorry guys. Stainless steel spring washer. So, that one is over here. Yep. Okay. Let's grab that one. That's probably 15,000 in the already. I'm going to buy this one down here. That's later. Yeah, good container, Jolie.
Which container?
Yep. Makes a beautiful skirt. Okay. What's next on our list, Jules? What have you got over there? One more than that. And I'll chuck that one up on the shelf. What's that one? New mates. Wrong, no,
Oh, no,
stainless. So you've got M8s and that one. 5, 8. Right. Oh, yours is spring wash, isn't it? Yeah, you got a spring.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah, you got a spring. So we're just sort of carrying on that way a bit, guys, and I'll show you what we've done today. We've got a guy, a really good guy, Scott. He's coming down today. We got these completed. 4, 5, 6, 7. So those are rolling out the door today. Scott's taken 7 of those, and that's what I was telling you yesterday. Those are our mega engineering truck kits, bolts and that. So they're going out the door. So Scott will be here in another hour or so to pick those up. And I'm going to look here. I don't want that one yet. I'll go with this one. 7138. There should be another button. 4x10. Yep. So that one, we can tick that one off. It's always important to everybody when we get these in that we check them off to make certain everything is there and that nothing's missing. Yeah, boy, wasn't I right? 4x10 button. Can we take it back?
Yep.
Okay. There we go. Yeah, look, it's getting a little low, guys. That's about to change. There's a little scooping. This one down here. You sign it off.